In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a car loan with Ali Bank. Now, there are a lot of different companies to use to go about financing your next car, but today I want to focus on Ali Bank Auto Loans. Why? Because Ali Bank's auto loans are designed to make life easier with 5 different payment methods, and they even have a free app. They also cover both commercial and accessible vehicles that many other lenders avoid. The best thing about Ali Bank's auto loans is their partner who can help with any refinance, and watch to the end of this video to find out how it all works. Car buyers are often in the dark about the most up-to-date options when it comes to financing a new or used car, and many people don't realise that there are many different and often new methods to finance a vehicle purchase. However, they often end up with higher interest rates than they need because of this lack of knowledge. You don't want to pay more than you have to, right? No one does. Ali Bank provides flexible financing options for all types of car loans and leases, including those that have less than perfect credit scores. So if you're looking for an auto loan from a major bank that can help you get your dream car without breaking your budget, keep watching. So how does Ali Bank Auto Loan work? Car loans through Ali Bank come with a number of benefits, including the option to sell back your vehicle and lower monthly payments. You can only get these loans through buying from a dealership that partners with Ali, so while there's some limitation, these loans may still be right for you. They offer a wide range of auto financing options, including new and used car loans for vehicles purchased through dealerships, as well as lease options with shortened financing terms. Ali also provides specialty vehicle services such as business car finance, heavy-duty truck leasing, and accessible vehicles like those designed specifically for wheelchair users. Second-hand vehicles must have 120,000 miles or less and be up to 10 years old in order to qualify. Be aware that Ali Bank will not loan you money for an RV, a motorcycle, or power sport vehicle. You have to broom away with that one. Their rates, however, start as low as 0% if you qualify for a manufacturer's financing promotion and have good credit history with Ali. For example, General Motors shares their dealerships finances with GMAC, which is now known as Ali Bank, since they share a long history together. It all started when the financial crisis forced them into one another's arms in 2009. What about car loan rates? You won't know your exact Ali auto loan rate until you apply. The company declined to provide an APR range. Why is that? Who knows, but the good news is some people with very bad credit can buy a car using Ali auto loans. Here are some average APRs that the Lending Tree online platform suggests. As of November 2020, someone with a credit score over 720 will have an average APR of 4.92%, while someone between 520 to 619 credit rating will have an average APR of 16.43%. Also, for the same month of November 2020, those with credit scores less than 560 will have an average APR of 20.79%, while all borrowers would have an average APR of 7.53%. If you want to know your credit score, I've added a link in the description for you. It's a free service that you can use. With this, you should get an idea of what to expect to pay. You may even be able to find a good rate even with bad credit, and that's great news, isn't it? Now, Ali Bank only offers loans through dealerships, therefore you can only get information on rates by applying at a dealership. Ali does offer competitive loan rates, but your credit score and the amount of money you put down will affect your interest rates and monthly payments. If you want to pay your loan early, Ali doesn't accept principal-only payments. This means that any extra money paid towards the loan won't be used to bring down the debt balance. Instead, those funds go towards fees or finance charges. The fees and charges will be paid first, and then the extra money will go to your loan balance. If you want to pay off your loan quickly, this might slow you down because these extra payments are not going directly towards your balance. Once you fill out the application form, you will receive information about interest rates and loan terms. A dealership can help you get an auto loan from Ali or another company. This is good because it simplifies the process of comparing interest rates and loan terms. What special features will an Ali Bank auto loan offer you? I hear you cry. When you get an auto loan from Ali, you will have a fixed APR. This means that your monthly payments will be lower and the payment at the end of your loan will be bigger. You can buy your car instead of renting it, meaning you won't need to pay for excess mileage or wear and tear on the car. Here is what you should know about the two programs Ali Bank offers. Let's start with Ali Balloon Advantage. First off, Ali Balloon Advantage is not available in Maryland, Nevada, New Hampshire, North Carolina, or Pennsylvania. Ali has a buyer's choice program that might be good for you if you think that you will want to sell your car back before the time is up. If you are interested in getting a car through Ali Balloon Advantage, you will not be able to get a Saab or Suzuki. You can get a GM, Chrysler, a Mitsubishi car. If the car is newer than 4 years old, then it can be bought with Ali Balloon Advantage. With this program, you have the option of selling your car either after 48 or 60 months of payments and without any hassle. Your other option is Ali Smart Lease. This is Ali's leasing option for new cars. It comes with guaranteed auto protection, which is called GAP. You can choose between a single pay lease where you pay one large payment upfront or a traditional monthly lease. The advantage of leasing is that your monthly payments are smaller than buying the car outright. But when the lease ends, you have to either turn in the car or buy it. Ali has the perfect auto loan for you if you want to buy a car with less than 120,000 miles and that's younger than 10 years old. You'll be buying your car from a dealership that partners with Ali Finance. You can get pre-qualified before going shopping. You don't feel the need to make principal-only payments on your new vehicle. Purchase instead just making monthly interest installments until it's paid off in full. Some other pros for you. Ali is one of the largest financial institutions in America and can work with many different types of credit profiles. You have access to customer support by email, chat, or phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Ali Auto app allows borrowers to make auto loan payments on the go, but has mixed reviews from App and Google Play users. If you need wheelchair lifts for your new car, then be sure to contact Ali because they allow this type of accommodation through most loan programs. And now, of course, the cons. The indirect new and used loans can be applied for through a dealership, but you must go through one to apply, and you can't make principal-only payments. Now, there is a way to see possible rates for refinance, and that's by using Clearlane, which is actually Ali Bank's lending partner. Clearlane offers two loan options for car buyers: direct lending and dealer loans. Although Clearlane does not offer as many lenders to choose from, their rates are often lower than those offered by dealerships. The best way to get a better idea of what you qualify for is with an online application on the Clearlane site. Clearlane has always been one of my favourite sites because they provide a clear-cut method in which I know exactly how much money I'm going to get into debt or can afford to spend on a new car payment each month. Their customer service is also very professional and calls are always returned within the day. Vehicles that are 10 years old or older can be refinanced at Clearlane, which is common for many refinance loans. However, the maximum loan to value ratio offered by Clearlane, which stands at 155%, is more than generous than what you get with other lenders. Very generous. Note that borrowing more than what your car is worth can be a good idea, but it's important to make wise decisions, as with everything in life. If you've had negative equity on previous loans or are currently experiencing an economic hardship like unemployment, now may not be the best time to get into another loan agreement that could leave you underwater with ongoing interest payments and high monthly costs. So you must enter into these agreements carefully, or else there may be an out-of-pocket expense. Like given a situation where your car is totaled due to an accident or you want to sell it. I've added a link directly to Clearlane in the description if you want to check them out. Remember that Ali Bank Auto Loan is not the only option out there for you. If you're not sure if you should get an auto loan through Ali Bank or with another company, I got you. The problem is that there are so many different companies out there offering loans, and it's hard to know who will offer the best deal for you. I've done all the research for you so I can provide you with a comprehensive video review comparing Ali Bank auto loans to other lenders. And check out this video now, it's just on your screen somewhere. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.